In our previous videos, we have compared AutoCAD to other software like Revit, FreeCAD and SolidWorks, but today we'll compare it to ZWCAD, a CAD program created by ZWSoft, which has not only stepped into the CAD world, but also computer-aided engineering and manufacturing. But the question is, can it compete with Autodesk? And a more precise question, can ZWCAD beat or at least be considered an alternative to AutoCAD? To answer these questions and more, please stick around till the end. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First of all, both AutoCAD and ZWCAD share a lot of similarities when it comes to the interface. One of the coolest things about ZWCAD is that you won't have to worry about the headaches of learning a whole new interface, because they have designed it to be intuitive. Let me give you an example. The user interface, menu arrangements, and shortcut commands are all set up to be super familiar, just like the mainstream 2D CAD software that you already know. So you don't have to break established habits and create new ones. And this makes it easy to seamlessly transition into ZWCAD and keep doing your work as usual. Now, one of the things that sets ZWCAD apart is its customizable interface. That's right, you have the power to tweak and tailor it to match your exact preferences and specific needs. In comparison, let's talk about AutoCAD. While it is a powerful tool with a plethora of features and tools, its interface can be a bit on the complex side. And hey, we get it. Learning all those functionalities might take some time. But fear not. With ZWCAD, you get the best of both worlds. A customizable interface which is user-friendly and efficient, so you can save time and get straight to creating amazing projects. And when it comes to the features and capabilities of these CAD software, both ZWCAD and AutoCAD bring a lot of tools to the table for both 2D and 3D design. ZWCAD shines brightly with its FlexiBlocks, which are similar to dynamic blocks and top-notch 2D modeling tools that can go toe-to-toe with AutoCAD's features. However, here is the thing. AutoCAD has earned a reputation for being an all-around superstar. It goes the extra mile with a comprehensive set of tools and capabilities, in addition to being tailor-made for specific industries like architecture, engineering, and construction. And a lot of companies and professionals depend on it. But wait a minute, there is more. With ZWCAD, you can experience a whole new level of efficiency with its smart features. With this, you can say goodbye to conventional mouse usage, as this software allows you to trigger commands effortlessly using mouse gestures. Not only that, but you can also add a personal touch to your annotation by using voice messages, which is new to me. The Smart Section option allows you to quickly choose the objects that you need with multi-filter capabilities. And when it comes to plotting, Smart Plot has your back, because you can effortlessly generate plot frames in batches directly from the model space. So whether you are all about the robust performance of ZWCAD or need the extra bells and whistles from AutoCAD, we've got you covered. So stick around to discover more about these CAD programs, because we are not done yet. Alright, now let's get into the nitty-gritty of performance. If you are an architect, you're probably tired of software not handling huge files, crashing every now and then, and let's be honest, high performance ensures a stable experience, and this is what architects and engineers are looking for. So why don't we try to open a large DWG file in both AutoCAD and ZWCAD and see if zooming in and zooming out and other stuff would be a smooth experience. As you can see, ZWCAD is incredibly fast and snappy. It seems like working with complex and large drawings is not a problem with this software. It handles them like a breeze, keeping things snappy and smooth throughout. And here is the kicker. It is super light on resources, making it a dream come true for those rocking old hardware. And if you don't have a lot of disk space, ZWCAD has got your back on that too. It is like a master of compression, with a smaller file size compared to AutoCAD. When it comes to speed and performance, and in AutoCAD specifically, things can slow down a bit, because it tends to be a bit more demanding on your memory and CPU resources, which can be a bummer if you are using an older or an average computer. So if you are all about smooth and efficient CAD experience, ZWCAD might be the answer for you. But if you are an industry professional with experience and expensive hardware, then AutoCAD might be for you. When it comes to compatibility, I have good news, because both software use the same language. Both ZWCAD and AutoCAD support the widely used DWG file format, which is like the universal translator for CAD files. So whether you are working in ZWCAD or AutoCAD, you can seamlessly import and export files between these two software, which is really amazing. This compatibility is a game changer. It means you can collaborate with ease even if your team members or partners use different CAD software. So there is no need to have more headaches trying to bridge the gap between the different file formats. When it comes to portability, if you are thinking of working on the go, you are in the right place, because both software have apps for tablet and mobile phones for both viewing and editing. So such apps are created to stay productive and connected wherever you are. Nevertheless, they need more improvements to prevent crashes and long loading times, which is unfortunate, but we have to wait. Probably these things will get better. But for instance, they can do the job just fine. The AutoCAD app is a good tool, and it is being updated constantly, yet it is still a bit limited. The ZWCAD mobile app is also a good addition to their desktop platform. It enables you to work remotely on your mobile device with ease, which is interesting, but it needs of course more enhancements to establish a better user experience in both phones and tablets. But with the latest update in May of 2023, it brought with it new stuff, because the company has taken the necessary security measures such as implementing HTTPS encryption and strict adherence to GDPR rules to ensure your data is safe and protected. So with ZWCAD Mobile, you can view, measure, edit, and annotate your drawings directly from your cloud storage. Even better, you can remotely print your DWG drawing files while you are on the go, or in a construction site using your smartphone or your tablet. When it comes to specs and system requirements, whether you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, you can run ZWCAD. And about 50 seconds is the estimated time for installing the software. For AutoCAD, it sure does require a little bit more, because having 4GB of RAM won't enable a smooth experience, while it is gonna be the case when using ZWCAD. And the same applies for disk space and graphic cards. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors when it comes to choosing the perfect CAD program, which is pricing and licensing. Here is the deal. ZWCAD is the winner when it comes to the cost effectiveness department. So whether you have a small business or you are a freelancer, there is something you don't want to miss, because compared to AutoCAD, ZWCAD offers seriously attractive pricing options because they have got perpetual licenses and annual subscriptions that will not break the bank. But wait, there's more. ZWCAD goes the extra mile by including a range of add-ons and extensions right within the software, so there is no need to dig into your pockets for additional software like you might have with AutoCAD to unlock these advanced features. So now, to answer the question we started with, ZWCAD can be a really good alternative to AutoCAD because it has an impressive array of tools that make it stand out from the crowd, and with zero switching costs, you can seamlessly transition to this user-friendly software, benefiting from its familiar interface and commands. The software intelligent drafting functions and practical tools, in addition to its smart features, can really further improve your productivity. Plus, ZWCAD's lightweight design and high performance ensures a smooth experience without burdening your computer. As an open platform, it provides both rich and powerful API interfaces for developers, enabling customization and integration. Not to mention, the value-added tools are there to assist you in achieving even more with ZWCAD. So with its lightweight and amazing speed, it is possible to easily open, view, edit, and save heavy files. And the best part is, you can get a perpetual license. And this is especially great if you are not a fan of annual subscriptions. So if you like the software, you can go through the 30-day free trial, and don't hesitate to contact the support team for any feedback you have or any questions you have. So guys, if you are interested, you will find the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also take a look at some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you